Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So today is Tuesday, December 13th. And it's a very snowy day. I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm here with my hubs, David, and I don't know, how do you feel?
Good. Yeah,
He feels good. So spotlight on him because he's actually getting rhinoplasty surgery today. For like medical reasons because he can't breathe, but he is getting that procedure done with another one. So I wanted to, record a little bit, and if it made it on YouTube, then that's why you're watching it. But anyways, so it's about to be 10. That's when he's supposed to be in there. So yeah, just gonna wait for him. Literally the hospital is right here in town, so it's not like a big deal. Like, it's not a long drive with the snow. But anyways, wanted to say that. How do you feel? You feel good?
Estoy bien, digamos que estoy bien.
Se siente bien. That means he feels good. He hasn't really said anything much about it, just that he feels good. But I feel good about it. We said a prayer. I've been thinking about it, praying about it, and I know that it should be good. And then I'm more worried about the recovery. Les digo que estoy más preocupada de la recuperación para ti, but I think he knows what he's up for, and it'll just go by. It's the month of December, so there's not too much going on. Well, there's Christmas, but like he can be at home, So anyways, guys, I want to show you the snow too. So you can't really see. But anyways, it's like a snow day. It's not a snow day, it's a storm day. So some of the schools got canceled. My kids' schools got canceled, so I guess that means it's pretty bad weather. Pretty bad weather, but like I was telling you guys that the hospital is right here in town, so they haven't called me about canceling or anything. But anyways, this is just before the surgery, amor. Que Dios te bendiga, Dios te proteja, and I'll be in the room waiting for him. ¿Quién te trajo? Yo me vine sola. I'm starving, so my mom brought me lunch. ¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Qué te duele? Ay, Dios mío. ¿Tienes náuseas? Okay, guys, so we're done with the surgery. It's 4. Look how beautiful, like the snow's like chunks of it. And I'm gonna get the car. That's why I'm out here. I'm getting the car. So beautiful. You guys know about my love for K-drama, snowstorms, or snow. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I don't think you can see it on camera, but that's the car. Okay, so your girl is expected to clean out this car. I've never done this before because whoa, that was a lot of snow. This is all just from cleaning the car. I think I'm just gonna go for it because David and my mom are waiting in the lobby. My mom showed up. I don't know if I recorded that, but I think I should just get going because I still have to go to Walmart to get stuff. I gotta get some medicine and everything, antibiotic. But he's good. He woke up. I think I recorded a couple clips. He's as good as he can be. Poor guy. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's snowing.